Okay, today we're going to learn about our definite and definite articles in English, the, are used with nouns to indicate specific persons, places, or things. Indefinite articles, on the other hand, which are a, an, and some in English, are used with nouns to indicate non-specific persons, places, or things. So, in the sentence, I have a definite and an indefinite article. So the boy is a friend. The is the definite article, and that indicates a specific boy. And a is an indefinite article, which just indicates that it's a non-specific friend. Okay? In Spanish, it works the same. So we have a definite article, el chico, and then we have es, un amigo, and un is our indefinite article. Okay? Okay, we are going to look at all the different definite articles and when we're going to use each one of them. So, first, we're going to start with the masculine ones. So, anytime you have a person, place, or thing that's masculine, you're going to use the following two, okay? If it's a singular noun, you're going to use el. So, the boy, el chico. If it's a plural noun, so if we're talking about boys, the boys, it will be los chicos. Los chicos. Okay? If we have a feminine noun, okay, so we're talking about a girl, for example, we would use la chica. La chica. And then if we have a plural noun, which is chicas, we would use las chicas. So there are 4 different ways we say the word the in Spanish, and it depends on whether the noun that it modifies is singular or plural. Okay, same situation happens with indefinite articles. So there's 2 different ways to say an or an, a or an, and 2 different ways to say some. Okay, so first we have our singular indefinite article, or masculine form. A boy is un chico. So the indefinite article is un for a masculine singular noun. For a plural masculine noun, if we wanted to say some, for instance, I would use unos chicos. Unos chicos. Okay? All right, for a singular feminine noun, if I wanted to say a girl, for example, I would say una chica. Una chica. If I wanted to make that plural, I am going to just add an S on the end of both of those, and it would be unas chicas. Unas chicas. Now, for the un and una, that can also translate to one. So one boy, one girl. Okay? All right, gender and number. In Spanish, articles match nouns in gender and in number, okay? So, for example, I have los libros son para la profesora. So, the books are for the teacher, okay? The books are for the teacher. So, since I have libros, which is plural, okay, I'm going to have my article los instead of el, for example. Okay, and since we're talking about a female teacher, I am including the feminine singular definite article here for la, for profesora. Okay, so it all matches, right? And just so you know, to form the plural of a noun, so say you want to make something plural, because there's more than one of something, you're going to add an S to the noun if it ends in a vowel. So vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And you're going to add an ES if the noun ends in a consonant. Okay, so for example, estudiante. Estudiante ends in a vowel. So all I'm going to do is add an S on the end. Okay, profesor, on the other hand, profesor ends in a consonant, R. Okay, and I'm going to have to add an ES.